If you're serious about building real wealth in the stock market, you need to understand one thing. Knowledge is your only edge. Think about it. If you try to brew a gourmet cup of coffee without knowing how the machine works, you're just going to end up with a mess. It's that simple. The market is no different. Without a solid foundation, you'll never identify the right companies or the next big thing to add to your portfolio. The market isn't a money tree where you just show up and collect cash. If your brokerage account is in the red right now, you need to ask yourself a hard question. Why am I losing? If you can't find a clear, data-backed answer, the reason is almost always the same: a lack of deep market insight. In this game, if you have the data and the discipline, the profits will follow. If you don't, they won't, period. There are no magic tricks, no get-rich-quick shortcuts, and no holy grail indicators. Only your understanding of the business and the economy will generate consistent returns over time. So, never stop learning. Keep sharpening your skills, because in the market, knowledge is the only currency that truly matters.